So hello, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Ciera Michelle. If you're a returning subscriber, what's good, cousin? What's up? What it do?
What it is? What's up? What's up?
So in this video, I'm just going to be reviewing the wig I have on my head. I got this wig from WIGS. WIGS Wigs is a brand that I randomly came across on Instagram. I was just scrolling and clicking on different people's profiles, and I saw this girl with some laid wigs on, and then I clicked on the, you can click on the picture, and it said WIGS Wigs on there, and from there I just went on their website, and I saw that they were having a Thanksgiving sale on their wigs, and it was buy one get one free, and they had 360 wigs. So I'm like, where do you see 360 wigs, buy one get one free? So my overall cost for my wigs were $200. Where they do that at? I thought it was a scam. I thought it was a joke, and I'm just like, I don't got time to play with my money. Like, I don't have time to play with my money. Point blank, period. That's too much money to be playing with. Maybe like $25, maybe $50 I'll play with and give it a test. But $200? I don't got time to be wasting money like that. I dreamed about WIGS wigs. I've dreamed about the wig I wanted. I dreamed about it. I dreamed about getting a bob wig, and the wig that was free, it was gonna be a bob wig that was, I think, 10 inches. And I knew I was gonna get a blunt cut to my shoulders, like right above my shoulders. I dreamed about it, and I woke up and I was like, you know what? I told my good sis, I said, girl, I'm gonna buy these wigs. I'm gonna put it in God's hands. These wigs about to come back. It's gonna be bomb. I'm about to slay. I already had a dream about it. So let it be written. So let it be done. So I bought the wigs. I waited to Cyber Monday to look and see if they had any type of different sale. They had the same sale where it was buy one get one free. So I bought the wigs. As y'all can see, I'm happy with it. I did this myself. I know if I go to a professional, it's gonna look even more bomb. I'm going to a professional to get my bob wig laid and slayed professionally, okay? I just wanted to see if I could do it. To get this look, I actually watched Winter Bronco's video on YouTube. Y'all may know her from Bad Girls Club, but she slayed a wig, and she did it so simple. Like, people make their videos so complicated. Sis did it so simple, and I got this result. Okay, so watch my hair type of get ready with me video to actually see me install and see all the behind the scenes, to see up and close how the wigs look, etc. Watch that video. A lot of insight. Anyways, facts about the wig. This wig is the wig style 2. It's more of a kinky straight wig. As you can see, it is kinky straight. This is more realistic for me. I liked it because it's more realistic. I have kinky hair, so it just made sense to me. This is 18 inches, but for some reason, this 18 inches looks pretty long. As you can see, like, it goes a little bit below my boob. Like, if I keep pulling it, it actually goes right here, a little above my hip. But this hair is super long. It's long to me. I don't know, it doesn't look like 18 inches. It looks longer than that. Am I tripping? This hair color is a natural hair color. It is a 130% density. The wig is not thin, okay? It's not thin. Oh my gosh, it's so long and straight. I'm in love with this. I feel like I am like a little Barbie doll. So aside from that, my lace color is a light brown lace color. I also bleached my lace as well, and I bleached my knot. The wig size is a medium 22.5 inch wig cap size. Now I ended up cutting some on my ear. Some of the frontal I end up cutting. Let's talk about shipping. Let's talk about shipping. My wig just now came at like maybe December the 5th is when I got my wig. And I ordered it on Cyber Monday. I felt like I wanted my wig sooner. Like, I was just dying to get my wig. I messaged the hair company, and they messaged me back really quickly, and it was just like, Because I told them, like, I told them my address in the message, and I told them, like, my apartment number, just in case I forgot it when I, you know, ordered the hair. And they said, thank you, we'll notate that in your order, and the expected date and all that stuff. So I thought that was pretty professional. That, you know, gave me a little, it calmed my nerves, because I was like, oh my God, I hope I'm not getting scammed, because I took a chance on getting this hair. So I don't know, y'all, it seems pretty flat on my head. I'm not a professional. I know my hair probably would look better if I was a professional, but I'm gonna part it so you guys can like see. Look at that. Tell me that don't look like a scalp. Tell me that don't look like a scalp. I'm trying to get flued out. That type, and it's pre-plucked. It came pre-plucked, but I didn't do any extra pluck. I didn't do any extra plucking. I just simply applied the wig to my scalp. Thank you for watching this video, y'all. Don't forget to check out my Instagram, okay? Cause I'm trying to post some poppin' stuff, and I need some type of, you know, interaction, engagement. So help your girl out on Instagram. Y'all have a blessed day, night, or evening. Stay uplifted, stay motivated, and if you don't got no confidence, get you some confidence. Order your wig, do your makeup, put on a nice robe, play you some nice music, and get it all the way together. Okay? Okay. Thank you for watching this video. Please be sure to watch my next suggested video by me. And oh, hit that subscribe button. See you at the next upload.